This video is about test string values in unit test by using assert and string class. First, we will check the equality of two string by using assert class. We have test method named test string values are equal. In this method, we have two string variables val1 and val2, and both values are same tag with capital words. Here we are using Assert.AreEqual to check values are equal or not. Now run the test. Test successfully passed. So what if we will make a tag word in lowercase? Now run the test. Test failed because by default string.assert are case sensitive. To make case insensitive, we will add boolean value true in third parameter of assert.areEqual. Now run the test. Now test successfully passed. So that's mean assert.areEqual method is now case insensitive. We have another method, test string values are not equal. So in this method we will check string values are equal or not. So assert.areNotEqual method we will use. So if val1 and val2 string values are not equal, so then test will be passed. Now run the test. Test string values are not equal method successfully passed. Now we were using assert class for testing the string values. Now we have another class, string assert class. So we will check how to use string assert class. What I will do, I will comment this. So we will check here if our string matches or not. So we will test number. If our string is in numbers, so this match with this regular expression, and here this test will be passed. So if string is not numbers, maybe in alphabet numbers, so here this test will be failed. So currently we have string in numbers, so let's test. So test successfully passed. So we have another method in string assert class, string assert dot does not match. Let's use this. So we will here test is all not number, and here we have a string a1, a2, b, and we will check this does not match with this regular expression value. Here regular expression represent all numbers. Now run this test. So we can see test passed. We have another method, string assert dot contains. So now let's test this method. So we created a test method for this test string value contains. Here we have string val1 and string val2, and in this method we will check either string val contain string val2 or not. So let's run this test. Now this test passed, so that's mean our string contain this number. For string is here. We have another method in string class, string assert dot starts with. Now let's test this method. string assert dot test with. So here we are test string values start with. So we have val1 and also we have val2. So unit test method for string testing, here val2 unit test. So this is starting with unit test. Now run this test. So we can see our test successfully passed. We have another method, string assert dot ends with. So we will use this method and see what this method is doing. So we have a string val1 unit test method for string testing and val2 string testing, and string assert dots end with val1. This is the first string, and val2 this strings end with the string which is available in string 1, so it will match. So currently it is ending with string testing here, so that test should be passed. So by using assert class and string assert class, we can test strings.